AI is transforming the way we conduct research. But with powerful tools come important responsibilities. Let's explore how to use AI ethically and responsibly in academic work. AI-assisted tools can help us write, find sources, summarize content, analyze data, and even generate code. But using them in research also raises critical questions about authorship, originality, and research integrity. Not all users of AI are risk-free. Plagiarism, privacy violations, and fake citations are serious academic breaches, often unintended, but still your responsibility. Also, AI models learn from the data we give them. If your data is biased or unbalanced, your result will be too, no matter how advanced the model is. To use AI responsibly in research, follow these 6 core principles. Transparency. Always disclose when and how AI tools have been used in your research, whether for writing, data processing, or analysis. Integrity. Never use AI to fabricate data or generate fake sources. This undermines academic honesty. Accountability. You are responsible for verifying the accuracy and appropriateness of AI outputs. AI can assist but not replace your critical thinking. Bias awareness. AI reflects the data it is trained on. Be vigilant about bias, imbalance, or underrepresentation in your inputs. Human oversight. Keep human judgments at the center. Use AI to enhance, not replace, scholarly interpretation and decision making. Privacy and data protection. Never use personal, sensitive, or identifiable data with AI tools unless they comply with privacy standards. Anonymize data whenever possible. Always check your university's policies or your target journal's guidelines regarding AI use. Cite AI tools properly, just like any other resource. Let AI to support your original thinking, not substitute it. And always fact-check outputs, especially when working with sources or data. AI is a powerful tool, but ethical research requires human judgment, honesty, and responsibility. Let's use AI wisely.